Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a table of content easily in Microsoft Word. So I just trained a group of participants yesterday at Shalom, and they told me that they didn't know what is table of content uh, in Microsoft Word. So it sparked me that there are still many people may not know what is how to create a table of contents. So now I want to share with you that uh, I first thought about Microsoft Word training with Nestle. I went all the way to this somewhere in Seremban. It's like their Milo plant. Yeah, so let's go over there. So I train them. So let's let's say I want to, yeah, so I have this data here. You can see that these are called table contain, and there is this label here and so on. And let's say I want to go to modify. I can just easily do that by clicking on this table contain, and it comes to this modify. You see that? Now let's say here I want to put in my this data here. Let's go back here, just click and drag, and that's all. And this is my, maybe I'll just put a trainer profile and story. Okay, so that's just one. And let's say here I want to make it as a module 6. Okay, module 6. And let's come over here. If I want to put there module 6, what's the page number? Oh, okay, no problem. I just go back here and type it here and look at that page is 12. Okay, page 12. Then maybe you can do something like that, right? Module 6. And then just type in trainer profile and story. And then dot 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 dot, and then here 12. Alright. Now don't laugh. There may be some people really do something like that, and it's just because you may not know how to do that. And now I right click here and I updates the entire table. It doesn't mean that you have the module 6. You say it's still not there. This is just my manually type one, right? It's not there. So how do you do that? So first you go to the module 6, highlight this. You need to go to the home tab. Under the home tab, and the styles here, look at heading 1. Yeah, you must set it as heading 1 first, right? Now you can say that this is on my list of clients. You start with 1, and I'll just highlight this and I go to heading 1, and that's all I do. And once I've done that, I go to control home and come over here and right click. I change update the field, update entire table, click OK, and look at that, it's right there. This is 12. See? So I no longer need to type this out one by one. And that is how you create a table of content. But how do you really exactly creating a table of content? You go to every of your chapter, highlight it, make it turn it into a header one, just like we did earlier, and go to the next one. Make sure the header is heading 1, and this is heading 1, and here also heading 1. Okay, and here also choose heading 1, right? If it's normal, you click back to heading 1, and so on, right? You can see that here. Okay, so once you get this done, you go to a page here, assuming that you don't have this course outline here. Okay, so I'm just clicking here. Maybe I just go here. So here, enter. Or in fact, you can just press Control Enter, go to a new page. You see that? Control Enter, go to Home. Right here, that you can go to Reference, Table of Content, and choose one of the options that you want. So just go for the first one, and there you are. We just done one of that. See, cost contain. Uh, it is, wait, not this one. Well, it's supposed to have cost contain. Oh yeah, that's because one training manual only have one. Okay, let me just delete the previous one, and I go to contain. Click on this one. You can see that that is completely done, and it's just done it in just a split second. That is if you know there is these options that is available, and the best thing is that you can see that the page number is automatic updated. Previously was 12, now it's on 13. Now if I just enter here a few more, control enter, and that would leave me with some blank space, blank page, and now I'm in page 14, and I control home, and does it update to page 14? Nope, it's not. You need to right click, choose update field, update the entire table, or you can choose update page number. That in our case is just update page number because we didn't add a new module. So that's it. You see now a page is updated to page 14, and that is how easy you can create a table of contents, TOC, easily in Microsoft Word. And there is another technique that I share to create a table contain in Microsoft Excel. It can be done very similar with some functions that you need to incorporate, because in Excel it's about worksheets, in Word it's about pages. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. How do you insert a page number here? To insert a page number, you go to Home, and then insert tab, and then click page number, bottom of the pages, and choose one of them that you like to. Okay, and it will automatically add it into the bottom, and that is the beginning of you writing and publish your book that will benefit a lot of people. I hope this is useful to you, and God bless you. God bless Asia.